Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to draw rectangles in the MetaTrader 5 mobile application. If you are using MetaTrader 5 on your mobile device and want to highlight price zones, mark support and resistance, or create visual areas on your chart, drawing a rectangle is one of the most useful tools. First of all, launch open MetaTrader 5 application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the Codes tab, go to the Chart button at the bottom of the screen and this will take you to your chart screen. Now from the chart page, go to the top of the screen and you will see a little object icon, this one over here. And then on the next page, tap on Add Object. Now, select Rectangle from the Shapes option at the bottom and then tap on the chart where you want the first corner of the rectangle to appear. Now you can drag on it and you will see a rectangle drawn within your chart. You'll see the colored rectangle on your chart. You can also adjust the color of the chart by tapping the color icon at the bottom left and choose a different color for your rectangle. You can also adjust the thickness of the rectangle by drawing the bar at the bottom, right or left. You can also change the type of the rectangle from the lines at the bottom. And there you have it. You have successfully drawn a rectangle in MetaTrader 5 chart. Drawing rectangles in MetaTrader 5 is a simple process but powerful way to mark important price zones and improve your chart analysis. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.